Hello friends, a new rule 86B has been inserted wide notification number 94/2020. Now what is this rule 86B which has been inserted effective from 1st January 2021? If your monthly turnover exceeds 50 lakhs, a registered person whose monthly turnover exceeds 50 lakhs, he can discharge his tax liability up to a limit of 99% towards from input tax credit. Compulsorily he has to discharge the tax liability 1% by cash. That means if 100 rupees is the tax liability, he is allowed to adjust only 99 rupees of the tax liability from his input tax credit ledger, that is electronic credit ledger. 1 rupee compulsorily he has to pay through cash. So this amendment through rule 86B has been effective from 1st January 2021. So henceforth, any registered tax person whose turnover exceeding 50 lakhs in a month can extinguish his tax liability up to a maximum of 99% from electronic credit ledger. Now this rule is not applicable if the said person is a proprietor or a karta or a managing director of a company or any of its partners, whole-time directors, have paid income tax exceeding 1 lakh rupees in the last 2 financial years. So if a registered person, if he is a proprietor and if he has paid more than 1 lakh rupees income tax in the previous 2 years, or if you are a company having managing director or one of the directors having paid such tax, or partners in a partnership firm, in such cases this provision is not applicable. Similarly, if you have taken any refund, exceeding rupees 1 lakh because you had an accumulated input tax credit in the previous financial year, then this provision is not applicable. Similarly, if cumulatively you have to calculate this limit from April till the time for the month you are paying the tax, if cumulatively you have paid more than 1% tax liability through cash ledger, then again this provision is not applicable. It is again not applicable to government departments, PSUs, local authority or statutory body. So this is a very important provision. Please keep in mind, if your turnover exceeds 50 lakhs, comply with rule 86B and pay at least 1% tax through cash ledger. Thank you.